So what I'm going to demonstrate here is our TTL to USB keys module. So basically this is a keyboard head, so it works like a standard keyboard when you plug the USB in. Apart from this time you can input TTL signals into 8 pins and it will produce a keystroke. So in other words, it'd be like pressing a key on a standard keyboard and holding it down while one of those pins is 5V active high. So that might be the output from a digital event marking channel, or one of the other Black Box Toolkit products, or maybe one of your own digital out ports on some of your own equipment. So I'm going to demonstrate this with a USB TTL module which is on this laptop, and it's going into a second PC with a keyboard emulator on, so you can see the keys go down. And I'm going to put our little breakout board with the LEDs on there as well, so you can see things that happen. So I'll plug that in there, and then what I'm going to do is plug the TTL module into the other side, and then I'm going to plug the TTL to USB keys module in. So you could hear that ping. So what I'm going to do is hold that up. Hopefully you'll be able to see this, but we'll soon see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send pin 1 high on the USB TTL module from this laptop. So that's pin 1 going high, and you can see that the key 0 is held down while the TTL signal is active high from the USB TTL module. So I'll basically turn pin 1 off, and you can see that key then goes up. So you get the idea that it's basically a standard keyboard head, and you can plug that in, the TTL to USB keys module, in something like a PC, Linux system, a Mac, an Android tablet, or whatever it is. Put TTL signals into it and it'll do USB keystrokes out the end. So I'll just do 1 again, so that's pin 1, the 0 keys down, pin 2, the number 1 keys down, pin 3, the second keys down. I can do up to 5 down at, well 6 down at once, and that will go from 0 to 5, and you can see that those 6 LEDs are highlighted, lit, showing you the TTL is active. So I'm just going to go through and turn each one of those off on the USB TTL module. So that's basically how that works and how you can use it in your own experiments.